Hi everyone and welcome to Linda's Italian Kitchen. My name is Linda and if you would like to learn how to cook delicious and healthy Italian dishes, you are on the right channel. At the end of each video you will find also the nutritional information for the dish that I just cooked. Today I decided to teach you a super easy way to cook baby octopus. I'm talking about a recipe called polpetti affogati that translates in English as drowned baby octopus. In this recipe, the baby octopus are affogati, are drowned in tomato sauce. Surprise, surprise! This is a super easy but also very delicious dish from Naples, and the bonus point is that you can use this recipe either to make a starter, what in Italy we call antipasto, or as a sauce for pasta, what in Italy we would call primo piatto, or as a main dish, a secondo piatto. And at the end of this video I will show you all the three different options. Are you ready to cook with me polpetti affogati?
To prepare polpetti affogati, we will need very few ingredients. Today's doses are enough for 2 servings of baby octopus as main course. If you use it as an appetizer or with pasta, this dose is enough for 4 people. The ingredients we need are 1 pound of baby octopus cleaned and rinsed well. I want to tell you a curiosity. In Italy we use a cheaper variant of baby octopus called moscardini to prepare this dish. To distinguish the baby octopus from moscardini, you have to look at the tentacles. In fact, while baby octopuses have 2 lines of suckers, moscardini have only 1 in the middle. The flavor doesn't really change. 1 pound of tomato sauce. For this recipe I like to add some cherry tomato. In particular today I use 9.5 ounces of cherry tomato and 6.5 ounces of tomato sauce, but you can use only tomato sauce if you want. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 1.7 ounces of dry white wine, salt, about half teaspoon of chili. This is optional, so if you don't like spicy food, just don't add it. And a nice handful of parsley. We will use part of the parsley during cooking and leave some to add fresh at the end. We start by heating up a bit of oil in the pan. I'm not adding all the oil as I will add some when I finish to cook the dish. When the oil is hot, we can add the whole garlic and let them fry for a bit. Then we add the baby octopus. You will immediately hear the octopus frying. Can you hear the noise? We will just wait for the baby octopus to begin to curl and then we will add the wine. We will leave the wine to evaporate well and then we will add also the chili, a pinch of salt and finally the tomato sauce. We will cover and let everything to cook for about 30 minutes on a medium-low heat. After 50 minutes we add part of the chopped parsley and give a nice stir. We will then cover and continue cooking. After 30 minutes, it's time to check if our baby octopus are cooked. To do this, we can use a fork. The baby octopus must be tender, and the fork must slide in easily. You see, in my case I have to apply some force, which indicates that my baby octopus are not ready yet. Therefore, I cover the lid and wait other 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I checked again if my baby octopus were cooked, always using the fork. Now my baby octopus are tender. I hope you can appreciate the difference from the video. When the baby octopus are cooked, I remove them from the heat and I add the remaining oil. I like to keep some oil to add raw because it's tastier, especially if you use young oil. By the way, don't forget to remove the garlic. I forgot about it and I caught it later when I was plating. Ok, now we are ready to serve our polpetti affogati. As I have already told you, this dish can be served as appetizer. In this case, I love to arrange 2 or 3 baby octopus on croutons. I like to use plain croutons like those with no added spices. Or you can use the sauce for your pasta. In my opinion, the best pasta shape for this dish is linguine. 8.8 ounces of linguine is the ideal quantity for 4 people and also for the amount of sauce that we have prepared today. Here, I also find the garlic that I forgot to remove. As you can see, I add a few spoons of sauce to my pasta. Mix well, plate it and then add more sauce. I love sauce, but if you don't like sauce so much, you can add less. Finally, I add 2-3 baby octopus. How many? It depends on the size of the baby octopus. In Italy we don't add the cheese to this dish, so I recommend you enjoy it without cheese. Instead, you can add a generous pinch of chopped parsley. Finally, you can also serve baby octopus with their sauce and a nice piece of bread as main course. My favorite bread for this dish is pane cafone, which is similar to American non-nib bread. As always, we add some fresh parsley to complete the dish. No matter how you decide to serve eat your baby octopus, I assure you that all the ways are delicious. And in my kitchen there is such a great smell that reminds me so much of my home in Italy. Buon appetito! If you like this recipe, remember to leave me a like or a comment and consider subscribing to my channel to help me growing. Thank you for watching this video and see you up to the next recipe.